Hi, I'm Dr. Michael Persky. I'm a facial plastic surgeon. We're able to use some of the greatest modern-day non-invasive techniques: venous freeze, venous legacy, and venous viva.
I like venous legacy particularly because my patients who have undergone a facial plastic procedure can maintain their results by doing various treatments with venous legacy on their face or on their neck. I think that venous legacy is a great option for non-surgical maintenance.
We are going to be incorporating the venous viva into our practice. What it does is it improves the tone, texture, color of the skin in all skin types.